kız arkadaşını otel odasına kilitleyip öldürmekle tehdit eden ve polisle silahlı çatışmaya giren 37 yaşındaki Zachary Allen Stockton, gösterdiği performans ile aksiyon filmlerini aratmadı.
Police department. Come out with your hands empty, please.
Sorry, what?
Come out with your hands empty, please. Good, come to the door. Just got to chat with you, see what's going on. Okay. She said no, she had a gun.
Why were the police called?
Can you keep your hands visible for me? Other hand, please.
No, why? I'd like to know the doctor. No.
Do you have a gun, sir?
I'm sorry, what?
We got a report that there was an assault here. Can you come over here?
There was no assault.
Okay. All right. Can you talk to my officer here? Can you show me your other hand, sir?
No.
Just so I'm safe.
No.
Okay. Okay, Todd. Find out if he's got a gun.
I'll have multiple guns.
Do you have a gun in your hand?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Okay. Put the gun down, please. Back up. Back up. Put the gun down.
No.
Get the back this way.
Back up.
Hiç çekinmeden birden fazla silahı olduğunu söyleyen Allen'ı duyan polisler olacakları tahmin edip mesafelerini koruyup uzaklaşmaya başladılar.
Get her, Todd. Get her back more cars. Put the gun.
I'm out unarmed. Are you going to shoot me?
No, I'm not. If you come out unarmed,
How can I believe you?
I give you my word, sir.
I can't trust your fucking.
I have a body camera that's recorded audio and visually, sir. I don't want to hurt you.
How can I
Back for all the other
believe you?
units. His room is the second room from the southwest. Come around to the
Complete
north
shit.
to the south. I promise you, sir, I do not want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt anybody. Please come out unarmed. Yeah, I don't care about your warrant.
What?
I don't care about your warrants. I care about your safety and my safety. So please come out unarmed, sir. Okay? I give you my word. I've got a wife and 3 kids, man. It's the last thing I want to do. Okay? Please come out. Shots fired. Shots fired. Todd, you good? Todd, you good? One of them I've been hit.
My hands are up. Look.
Are you injured?
Yeah.
Where are you hit?
My hands.
One automatic shots fired. Subject's been hit. I believe I've been struck as well in the foot. I need EMS here. Subject is not in custody yet. Todd,
Yeah.
are you good?
I'm good.
Is she good?
Good.
Wife and 3 kids, man. It's the last thing I want to do. Okay, please come out.
Anlaşılan birden fazla silah konusunda haklıymış Allen. Tek bir silah kesmemiş, 2 tanesini uygun görmüş.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Todd, you good? Todd, you good?
Çatışmada yaralanan Zachary Allen Stockton, hastanedeki tedavisinin ardından Grant County hapishanesine sevk edildi. 2 polis memuruna ateş açması nedeniyle 3 kez 1. derece saldırı, 1 kez 2. derece saldırı ve yasa dışı silah bulundurmaktan kefaletsiz yargılanıyor. Süreç ilerledikçe bu dosyanın bölgedeki en ağır vakalardan biri olacağı şimdiden kesin gibi görünüyor. Bu tarz vakaları kaçırmak istemiyorsanız kanala abone olmayı unutmayın.